Thulani uyeyeye Mgumede umvuso wenyamazane. Ngizibiza ngumvuso wenyamazane because ngiyakholela ukuthi nginayo leyo nto yokuzama ukukhuluma ngezinto abantu abaningi abasuke bengathanda ukukhuluma ngazo. Ukwenze njalo ke ngiyangithole sengivusa inyamazane ngoba ukuqala kwami ukukhuluma ngalezi zinto ngisuke ngingenazo zonke impendulo nesombululo, kodwa ngisuke nginakho ukukholela ukuthi ukolalele othe ukuba ngcono kunami ngoku-understand izinto uzokwazi ukuthi akwazi ukuyithatha lento engisuke ngiyiletha ayibeke kwenye level. So Thulani uyeyeye Mgumede umvuso wenyamazane, isihloko la sikhuluma ngaphansi kwayo, so a Man of Steel. Into engihlaba umxhwele nge-Man of Steel ukuthi ama-societies wethu, they are so into this thing of building men of steel, and ingakho-ke ngithe angithi ukudingida kabanzi ngibe nama-topics ahlukahlukene sowadingida nje ngalesi sihloko esithi Men of Steel. Sibe sibuka umuntu wesilisa, sibuka ney'ngane asuke ey'khulisa, sibuka iy'hloko nje ey'hlukahlukene. Last time isihloko sithi bengikhuluma ngaphansi kwaso bekuyisihloko sokukhuluma about from wounds to wisdom. Ngikhuluma kabanzi ngalento ukuthi abantu besilisa bafuna ukukhuluma ngey'nkinga abasuke bebhekene nazo. Kuleyo episode uma uzoyibuka ebhalwe Men of Steel bese izothi from wounds to wisdom, ebuka ezinye iy'ngqinamba abantu besilisa ababhekana nazo la bethi bafuna ukukhuluma uthole ukuthi i-environment ayibonakali i-environment safe. So how do you then force umuntu ongakhuluma ukuthi akhulume ungam-assuranga ukuthi i-environment izoba safe? Usho kanjani kumuntu njenge-spy ukuthi akakhulume zonke izinto kodwa ngeke zadalulwe igama lakhe uma ukuthi uyabona ukuthi kwayibona labantu akhuluma nabo abathembekile? So bekhuluma kakhulu ngalezo zinto, of which I think abantu abaningi abazoyibuka leyo episode bazoba nakho ukuthi babuke izinto differently. So namhlanje bengifuna sikhulume ngesinye isihloko futhi esisenhlizweni yami, ngifuna ukusibiza nge-tough love. Love that is tough love. I-tough love lana isihloko engicabanga ukuthi sizosicija kakhulu namhlanje. Lesi sihloko lesi singihlaba umxhwele kakhulu because what happened was last week Sunday besiphume esontweni. Masiphume esontweni ngimina uMpilo sihamba nabafana abawu-2 abafana bethu, u-Anosi noMhlengi. Masifika nje la endlini sesipaka imoto, ayikhona ingxoxo besi-engage kuyo mina noMpilo. Sithema nje masiphuma ngaphandle singakangeni endlini saxoxa, abafana bethu baphuma bogijima bodlala. I stay into this conversation like 10 minutes later abuye umfana wethu omunye ngeke ngimbize ngegama for le ngxoxo. Uma efika kuthina unyukubele u-upset ukuthi manje khona into wrong ngabangani bakhe ngoba beyamshiya, yabo. Ngingayizwa kahle lento ukuthi hawu lensizwa lena izoceba abangani bayo ukuthi bayayishiya bebe bedlala. What is he expecting? Ayafika asho-ke lento ukuthi hayi no, abangani bami bayangishiya, manje aveze le face ongazuthi ufuna ukukhala, yabo, unyukubele. Ngimtshene ukuthi angeke ndoda ubuyele back uyodlala nabangani bakho, yabo lento le sisaxoxa la, ayibone lento ukuthi ungathi angizwa ebese sondela kuma wakhe. Azazi-ke ingane psychological zithe ukuba kwenye level zifike i-check amanzi zibone ukuthi angathi iqinile ngala ebese ziya ngakuma. Imeza kuma wakhe afika inyokunye kuma wakhe, yabo, nje usefuna ukukhala becipheza, yabo. Ebese ngiyabuza hawu ndoda kwenze njani, aphinde futhi abangani bami mangithi ngidlala nabo bayagijima bayangishiya, yabo. Mangithi ngiyabaqalaza abangani bakhe adlala nabo, firstly abanye babo bathi ababekhudlwana kunaye ngomzimba. Secondly kunaney'ngane zamantombazane ezinye zincane kunaye, angisho ukuthi ngi-undermine amantombazane, but uma ubuka lezi ngane zamantombazane zithi azibe ncane ezinye kunaye, meaning ukuthi abanye babafana bakhudlwana ngomzimba kunaye. Meaning uma ukuthi lo muntu lona uyimisele ngempela ngokugijima angagijima abadlule labantu, yabo lento engizama ukuyisho. Ngithi mangiqalaza lento bese ngizobuka yena athi umethi ukhuluma noma wakhe yaphinda futhi bese ngiqinisizwe, yabo. Tough love, ngithi uqinisizwe kancane, ngithi hey wendoda ngicela ubuyele back uyodlala, yabo. Sengi-serious manje, ngicela ubuyele back uyodlala, siyaxoxa la sibhizi. Uma bekushiya abangani bakho awukwazi ukugijima wena, gijima uyodlala nawe. Uma bekushiya gijima ubahlule, yabo lento le. Ayabona ukuthi ayingi-serious kulento, yabo. Nami nje ngibe nalonto ukugqoka ubuso obuthe, uyangibona-ke nawe, yabo lento le. Ngithi ukuqinisa kancane abone ukuthi hayi akudlalwa la, labantu baqinisile agijimeke, yabo. qhubekela ngibe engage ingxoxo ngifuna ubabulalela inake le nto ukuthi ngithe mangikhuluma naye kanjalo ngangashiya kanjalo ngithe mangimthuma back ukuthi akabuyele udlala tough love akahambe usolve le yankinga ngaba busy la ngaba engage noma wakhe but engqondweni yami ngibusy ngikhuluma noma wakhe ngiyamqalaza nami uthe nje mesuka kuthina wadla phansi ngejubano yebo lento le ayithi mefika kubangani bakhe bethe ngambona ukuthi ayuse ufika nje une energy phezulu manje yabo bathe mabethi bagijima wabadlula yabo awungabuka lento lena ngabona ukuthi okay wow this is interesting bathi mabehla futhi uyena futhi behamba phambili egijima kakhulu and ngayiziba ke lonto ngoba bese ngibonile ukuthi okay problem solved ngaqhubeka nga-engage noma wakhe ebusuku mase sihlele noma wakhe lapha sis just chilling ebusuku sengithi kuyena hey yazi konke enzeke emini engihlaba umxhwele sibuye esontweni ukuthi lensizwa lena sithe masade sikhuza yabo lento le ukuthi ayibuyele back yodlala sengithi guess what I was paying attention to him uthe mebuyele emuva bese babhitha abangani bakhe masegijini kodwa uze kuthini ezoceba abangani bakhe ukuthi bamshiye yabo wasethi kuma wakhe it's very interesting because the following day which was the previous day which was Saturday this guy ubedlala nomunye umngani wakhe uthe mengabe comfortable nomngani wakhe wagijima wezotshena uma wakhe I was not at home uzotshena uma wakhe ukuthi nangumngani nami ngidlalisa kabi la bekungeyona into embi but he just needed usizo from uma wakhe yabo awuma wakhe ambeze ngempela lo mngane bese ethi awundoda wasungidlalisa kabuhlungu kanjena usibanibani why so uyayibona lento ukuthi insizwa lena ikuyinto ejwayele ukuthi njalo umedlala nabangani bakhe ungazi ukuthi kungalode kungenelela abazali bakhe yabona lento le so lento tough love mfethu ingithintile ngoba ngikhulume kakhulu nezinye insizwa lento lena ilimaza kakhulu igenge esuke ikhuliswe omama ubaba engekho le area tough love ithi ayibashaya abantu abaningi ugcina usukhulisa abafana abantekenteke angikhulumi ukuthi sikhulisa amabhokolo sikhulisa ophuma silwe but ukhulise abantu abantekenteke abagcina sebengasakwazi ukubhekana nempilo yebo lento le uma tough love ingekho enganeni yomfana kuya kube naleyo nto lezokwenzeka ukuthi kancane kancane masiba nenkinga sigijimela siyotshena uma ugcina usuba umfana kamama kanti uba umfana kamama ngoba vese omama abaningi they are wired to be protective ngalendlela yokuthi ingane yabo emiza nenkinga bayibona ngathi inkinga enkulu kanti ubaba ume involved empilweni kuba nebalance uthi umama eza ngothando lu gentle ubaba eze nothando olulento lena olutough lolu thando molumatcha lukhipha ingane yomfana well balanced ingane ezoba nama emotions are right iphinde kwazi futhi ukuthi yazi ukuthini I'm created differently ngumuntu oqukula izinto ezisindayo ngumuntu okwazi ukugijima ibuilt yami inakho ukubekezelela izinto ezithile uma ngibhekana nenkinga empilweni kufanele ngiqale ngiyibuka ukuthi is it a problem that is too big for me to handle before ngibaleke ngiyotshena umama noma ngiyotshena ubaba angifuni ukuthi umfana engimkhulisayo kugcine sezingane edlala naye zithi hey ungabe samdlalisa lo umdlalisa kanjani uzogijima uyotshena uma wakhe yabona lento le so obaba abalalele njengamanje iyona ke into bengifuna ukuvusa inyamazane ngayo ukuthi are you involved enganeni zakho because kuyenzeka ukuthi ube khona ubaba kodwa uthola ukuthi awukho involved so lama elements engikhuluma ngawo ukuletha ibalance ukuthi umama ngalani umethi ukhuluma gently nawe ubukhuluma out of love but kube nalento kuba tough ukuthi ube nakho enganeni ukuthi yes uyindoda sesiqukula izinsimbi ke manje sesiqukula into esindayo manje waze siqukula izinto ezisindayo ngoba samadoda yabo abe nakho ukwazi lokho singabe sesikhulisa abantu abagentle kakhulu bebe abantu besilisa begcina sebengabasabi nayo lento ukusebenzisa what God has created them ukuthi babe yiyona lento yamamasela nokuba masculine ukuthi indoda insizwa mayisebenza kukhona umsebenzi odinga amandla ivolunteer indoda ngoba iyazazi ukuthi isakhiwo sami ikona ukuthi efana ngibe lapha out there ngiyobamba izinto eziqinile uma senza izinto la nabangani bami angalode ngiba umuntu ontekenteke ngibona into ezoba impossible angibe lento mentality ukuthi nothing is impossible it can be done angiye kubazali bami ngoba sengikwenze konke sengibonile ukuthi akwenzeki I'm not gonna face a problem lana ngihluleke ngisho ugijima ngiyitest amandla. The first thing I think about it, let me go tell my mom. Yabo lento le ugcina usuba umfana ongekho right. So lento ye-tough love bo baba ngicela sethi ukuyibheka ngempela. Iyakhulaza masikhulisa ingane zabafana. Enye insizwe bengikhuluma nayo ishawe yilonto nje ithi as much as ube sikhuluma esidlangala lena ngifuna ukuya kakhulu kuma details because it was a secluded a gathering you know insizwa lana ikhuluma ngale ndaba ukuthi i-challenge yakhe abenayo ukuthi ukhulise ugogo nomama. So lonto le imenze wa welcome kakhulu ukukhala yabo lento le. Again kubalekile ukuthi umuntu wesilisa akhala. Umuka usungize ema platform amaningi ngikhuluma, I always emphasize lento kubaleka umuntu wesilisa ukuthi express ama emotions, but uma seyichaza uyabona ukuthi ayisesiyo lento ejwayelekile, seku extreme uthi ukhuliswa ugogo nomama kwi-environment labe kulula ukuthi umuntu wesifazana akhala yabo lento le. Manje uyayithola uma se-engage kuma robust discussions or debate noma kuma arguments, and then the first thing resort kuyona ukuthi ayithole sekhala ngoba manje iyona environment ayijwayele leyo. Uyayibona lonto ukuthi ubaba ukuba bekhona ubezongenelela angasho ukuthi ku wrong ukhala, but abe nalonto ukuthi yes we cry as men, but you know, we don't just cry, you know, asivesane nje sikhale anyhow, you know, ukubalekile ukukhala, you know, you can also analyze ukuthi ngikhala kephi nini kanjani. Uyabona into le umuntu wesifazana angenza ngisho live ku social media akhale and she won't akaboni lutho wrong ngaleyo nto le, you know, regardless ukuthi topic ikhuluma ngani yabo. But mase kumuntu wesilisa okhala kalula, as much as I am for abantu besilisa express ama feelings wabo, but uyayibona lonto ukuthi iba ne-challenge. So ukukhuliswa abantu besifazana umuntu wesilisa engekho, ziningi izinto kusirobha zona yabo lento le. Ziningi izinto engingayikhuluma sishayo naye identity. Lento engikhuluma ngayo identity ukuthi mangibhekana nenkinga, how do I handle problems, you know, uma ngiba lento ama emotions, how do I handle ama emotions zami yabo. Do I just cry anyhow in front of people? Yes, angisho ukuthi ku-wrong khala kabantu, but uku-understand indlela yokwenza lonto ngendlela efanele. Uma umuntu wesilisa engekho kuba ama-challenges-ke lawa esiyasibhekana nawo. But ebengifuna ukuveza kakhulu ile ndaba abantu besilisa ukuthi kufanele sibe involved, ikakhulukazi when we are raising boys. Kule ngxoxo ye-tough love ngifuna ukuyiveza kakhulu when we are raising boys ukuthi simelwe ukuplanta iseed, sibashiye bene-identity. Uyabo lento le kube balanced. We don't want to be raising mama's boys, you know. Some of us siraiswa ama-single parents, sikhuliswa omama, and ezinye izinto esiyayichaza ezinye siyichaze, but you can feel ukuthi some of the things umuntu astrugglisha ngazo izona lezo zokuthi nje, you know, ukhuliswe single parent. Mama bethu, they've done everything they could, you know, but there were some of the things that they couldn't help us kuzona. They needed, strictly, they just needed umuntu wesilisa to solve. So ilokho kuphela ke ngifuna ukusho sengiconclude kulento lena. Enye into engihlaba umxhwele ukuthi on Sunday kwenzeka lento nomfana wami yebo lento le ngiyamqinisa ukuthi endoda be a man, gijima, you know, and then agijima ngempela njengoba sengichazile afike abe umuntu ongathi usiyanqoba makugijima. Now 4 days later mfethu ibambe lento engizoyikhuluma ke manje ngoba inamandla ngalendlela exakile. 4 days later mfethu esikoleni somfana wami yabo kube ne race, you know, bayaqhudelana ke manje kuyagijima yabo. Xakela ubani uphuma number 1. Xakela ubani uphuma number 1. Le ndoda efike ekuthini izokhala Sunday ithi abangani bayo bayishiya. Mase kugijima esikoleni iyona ephuma number 1. Yabo lento le. Iyona ephume number 1. The same guy obe complain ukuthi shiwa abantu. That is what the tough love is aiming to do. Is aiming to cultivate ama-strength engane ukuthi yey musukhala ukuthi lento awukwazi ukuyenza. Qinisa, hey, gijima, put more effort, you know. That is tough love. It's tough love, a coach ikutshena ukuthi run more, add more. La usutshena ukuthi wena kuphelile ithi no, add more. That is a life coach. When you are a father, you are a life coach to your kids. You analyze them, ubona ama-strengths and ama-weaknesses zabo, and then you cultivate their strength. You push them. La sebebona ngathi khona kuphelile ngabo, you push them. That is the responsibility of a man. tough love kuma-families. We need to be involved, and the tough love iyona ezoguqula izinto ey'ningi nasemphakathini. Sengigoqa kule nto ye-tough love. A couple of months back ngilanda yona lensizwe esikoleni. Mangiyibuza ukuthi ndoda kuhamba kanjani, ithi kumina nginenkinga esikoleni khona umfana ongibhulishayo, yabo le nto le. So umethe khona umfana ongibhulishayo, ngibuza awenzani lo mfana, azibale izinto azenzayo lo mfana. Ebese ngithi kuyena hayibo ukwamtshela kodwa uthisha wakho, yabo le nto le. Athi hena ngimtshenile uthisha kanjani yabo. Ebese ngifika endlini ngitshena unkosikazi ukuthi hey ngicela ulandele nothisha la. Umfana ngithe mangimlanda esikoleni wangitshena ukuthi hayi khona umfana ombhulishayo lapha, yabo le nto le. Hayi nangempela kwangena wathi unkosikazi umechecka nothisha kwavela ukuthi udiscipliniwe lo mfana lo bembhulisha, bamfaka konothi khona and what not, batshena ngisho nabazali bakhe. Now you see ukuthi lento engisho ngazuthi iya contrasta, you know. The reason why ngisho lo nto ukuthi after all is said and done, our responsibility as men is not to create amabhokolo, but we are creating ingane ezoba responsible, ezokwazi ukuthi where do I have to put i-effort, ngithathe responsibility, and ikuphi la kufana khona ngithathe into ngidlulisele phambili. There's a difference there. Uyazi ukuthi umeza kubaba wakhe, ubaba wakhe sikhona izinto akwazi ukungenelela kuzona, khona izinto azomphusha athi go back, put more effort. Angifuni ukwakha ingane ezoba ibhokolo esikoleni, ngifuna ukwakha ingane ezoba responsible, ikhule nama-manners, yazi ukuthi ayilungiseli, ayibambeli physically kwezinye iy'ngane. Sizofika isikhathi esikanjalo later in life, but uzokwazi ukuthi firstly I'll have to exhaust all the options I have. Lapho bekuyinto ethe ukuhluka kunale bengikhuluma ngayo, but bengifuna ukuveza ukuthi ingane emizi angifuni ukuthi ungazothi yonke into solodwa sethi go back, fight. Go back, fight. There are times where they have to go back, fight, go back, put more energy. But there are times where they have to say, I'm escalating this to Utisha because it won't be proper when I handle it myself. It's your responsibility to know when do you push them for more and when do you intervene and call other people to intervene. It's your responsibility. However you do it, make sure that they grow up, be well balanced in life. Uthulani uyeyeye ugumede umvusi wenyamazane. This is a session ye Men of Steel. Sikhulumisana nje nabantu besilisa siyacijana kube inqaba, and ngiyakholelwa ukuthi impela by the time siwaqeda lama sessions. In fact, I don't know wazophela nini because there is so much more engifuna siqhubeke sikhulume ngelento ethinta abantu besilisa. Let me do this. I think every Wednesday at 5 I'll be posting a video. Namhlanje Sunday I'm gonna do another video ezodlala this coming Wednesday, the 31st of August. This coming Wednesday, khona ivideo engizoyifaka futhi ezobe ngaphansi kwesegment yethu i-Men of Steel. There's quite a lot. In fact, I've written on different topics, but lento abantu besilisa kuya ngokuya kuvela ukuthi this is the topic that I really need to invest kuyona, because every time ngikhuluma ngayo it's either ngishiya abantu bedidekile, noma ngishiya abantu bekhala, noma ngishiya abantu ade be-suicidal besho ukuthi ndoda. Thank you so much for talking about these topics abantu abaningi abangafuni ukukhuluma ngawo. So asicijane kube inqaba, asibonane futhi ngokuzayo. Uthulani yeye Gumede umvusi wenyamazane. Like, subscribe, ufollow ku Instagram Uthulani yeye Gumede, everywhere Uthulani yeye Gumede uzongithola. Love and peace. God is love. Ciao.